what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily manually enter bank transactions on Xero. So first you may want to head over to xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on accounting, then click on bank accounts. So from here, just select the bank account in which you want to add a new transaction. So say this, for example. And from here, we're just going to click on new transaction. You can start by choosing if it's a new spend money or new receive money. And from here, all you have to do is enter in all the necessary information about the bank transaction. Also add in an item in the item field, also description, quantity, unit price, and choose an account, tax rate if applicable, and amount. So once everything is done, you can proceed by clicking on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!